Hello, my dear friends, brothers and sisters from all over the world. Good morning. One of the most difficult part in 3D animation is texture painting on objects. It may be a rock, a leaf, a tree, or an animal. We can copy and paste to a limit. But when it is coming to human character, it is so difficult, even for experts. My colleague says, making an alien is the easiest thing in character animation.
Because nobody knows how it looked like, but we know how people look like, and realism is really difficult. Today we will try to reduce that difficulty a little bit.
Let us move forward to the character texturing procedures using AI, Comfyui, the fastest stable diffusion interface as per my opinion and experience, Blender 3D and the Blender add-on for Make Human inside Blender, it is called MPSB, are used in this tutorial. This is not a basic tutorial. This needs basic knowledge of using Comfyui and Blender node system. But I try to give you most easy way as much as possible. There is a JSON file, one PNG file, and a blend file, which is needed for this procedure. Links are in the description. Let us start with Comfyui. We will go through the workflow. It is just to explain what is going on. You don't need this part if you need the end result only. The procedure contains two parts, face creation and layout creation with line art, control net, and IP adapter node. First step, processing the face starting with a checkpoint. Any checkpoint is okay. For here, I used Cyber Realistic version 30 that goes through a LoRa file. The one we are using is called More Details. Again, the links are in the description. And clip text encode node, which contain the description of the face as per our requirements. We can edit what kind of face we need here. For example, like beautiful Indian woman 30-year-old, or muscular African warrior, 45-year-old, or whatever you need. And a negative prompt, or we can use any negative embeddings. K-sampler, coming next. Then the decode node. We don't need an image bigger than 512 by 512. And then it goes to the preview node. Now, in second part, the node starts with checkpoint. Then it goes through LoRa files. This is used for more details. This is not necessary. Then go to clip text encode node, which contain the description of the layout. Here we have to use an embedding file, 21 char Turner V2. This one is very important. B because this gives us same character details for all sides. This clip, text encode, node contain all the details about the dress and body. For example, traditional Indian dress or armor, Spider-Man dress, etc. But these have less effect because we use next a line art control net image for giving accuracy. The line art control net coming next. I prepared a line art which is the heart of this. If you question about how I prepared that, let me know. Each line or point give more details. We can change it as per the requirements using Photoshop, GIMP, or Krita, which I use always. But it's the best part with line art compared to other control nets, these all going to a K-sampler. The example JSON file used an empty latent image, 1664, I1024. Less size may will give blurry or bad result, but aspect ratio we need to keep, that you can try it as per your computer power, but goes to an upscaler. Any upscaler is okay. When we get the output, save it as final UV for character.png for now. You can name as you need and as per your character. And we are done with Comfyui. Save it in a proper place, or you can get it from Comfyui output folder, and you don't need all these information to work with this. Just edit the prompts for face and prompts for the body. Do the necessary changes in the line art file, only for the body and dress, but not the face. Then run it. Now we will open the blend file given. NPFB add-on for Blender is deeded. And we need a Make Human program. I am using Blender 4.1 Alpha. But I think any version from Blender version 3.6 will be able to append the file provided.
We are in Blender now. What we have here is a human body-based mesh object, which is posed in a really weird way. That is just a mesh with some material assigned to it and some empty objects named as position.
These empty objects control the projection of texture coordinates. Do not move any of empty objects or mesh objects from its position. It will spoil all procedures. In our shader editor, we can see a very badly arranged node layout. Sorry about that. I am really bad in arranging things.
We are using some gradients to mask areas of body parts to get enough details in the output. For example, the top gradient ramp texture is separating head from body. The second one is for masking ears. The third one here is separating front face and side face like this. Same way we're separating front, side, and back side of the body with this gradient.
Then there's one mask texture which I roughly painted using Blender's texture editor. Is included with other files provided. Let's start with front face, which is this one. Open our results on Comfyui. The one we named Final UV for character PNG.
Yes, we can see the face is placed properly. Next side face, we can use the drop menu to select the same file. And the ears, this node which is linked to ears. Use the drop menu and select the same file. Final UV for character PNG.
Now let us do the body. Link the file Final UV for character.png using the drop menu for front body, rear body, and side body. We are halfway now. We can rotate the view and see all parts of the body. See how detailed it is. If we painted manually, it will take hours for experts, and for me, maybe weeks. Now, there is a lonely texture node named Final for Save. Select it, select the main mesh, and press Bake button. We can find it in the Render menu, in Cycles Render menu. We will get the final image we can use with MPFB add-on or Make Human program. But this gives us only diffuse map, not an albedo map which don't have shadows and reflections. If we need normal map or height map, I have no idea. But basically, use this is okay in my opinion. What do you say? Now let us test this in a new Blender file. And delete the box, go to MPFB add-on tab, go to Make from Scratch, select the options as per our requirements. Here we will select Gender Male, Muscle Maximum Proportions, Race African, and press Create Human button. When we select the newly created mesh, the rigging menu appears. Open that and add a rig. I usually use Rigify Rig, then go to Apply Assets. Add eyes, eyelashes, teeth, and tongue. Now again, select the mesh and go to Material tab. Create a new material. Now add an image texture to the base color. Press Open Image and select our bake texture from the previous file. We are almost done. Now the problems with this procedure. 1. Wrongly aligned palms. Stretched images in some parts of the body where two images are joining. Only solution is to correct them using texture painting in Blender or Photoshop or Krita. Thank you for watching. Wish for a peaceful world and have a nice day.